Welcome to this meditation. Today, we pause to honor conflict as a doorway to deeper love. Today's meditation will help you return to center, regulate your emotions, and prepare you to speak from clarity and compassion. It is a gentle practice to guide you back into a calm, grounded state, so that when you sit with your partner, you can approach repair with openness and love. Find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. Let your body be supported. If it feels good or comfortable, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Slow inhale through your nose and release it fully through your mouth. Another deep inhale, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Make any micro adjustments. Roll your shoulders, loosen your jaw, soften your back. Feel your body relax into support. One more deep inhale, drawing in calm. And one exhale, letting go of any tension. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, soft, steady, and grounded. Bring your attention to the crown of your head. Notice a soft wave of relaxation moving down across your forehead, releasing any tightness around your eyes. Feel your jaw relax, your neck and shoulders drop, your chest softens, your arms grow heavy, your torso settles. With each exhale, your body feels more at ease. Allow this wave to travel down through your hips, thighs, calves, and all the way to the sole of your feet. You are fully supported. You're safe in this moment. Now imagine a gentle golden light at the center of your chest. This is your heart space, the place of love, compassion, and connection. With each breath, see this light grow warmer, softer, steadier. As the golden light expands, it surrounds your whole body, cocooning you into safety. Here, you are calm. Here, you're clear. Here, you are love. Softly, bring to mind the recent conflict or tension you wish to repair. Instead of replaying the argument, imagine yourself and your partner as two souls sitting side by side, both wanting peace. Ask yourself gently, what do I truly wish to communicate? What is my deeper need beneath all these words? How can I express this with love? Allow answers to arise without any force. Simply notice what emerges. Now, in your heart space, let an intention for the conversation arrive. It could be something like, I will speak with compassion. I choose to listen with openness. Our love is stronger than this moment of disconnection. Feel the truth of these words anchoring in your heart. What is your intention for the conversation? Softly repeat to yourself, I return to center with ease. I speak from love and compassion. I'm ready for healing and growth. Take a deep breath. Place your hand on your heart and imagine this clarity anchoring within you. Feel gratitude for taking this time, for choosing repair, for choosing love. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your whole body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a grounding inhale and a soft, long exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You're centered, clear, and ready to return to your partner with openness, ready for the conversation that will bring repair and growth. If you'd like to take this work deeper, do explore the accompanying guide on conflict resolutions for couples. It will help you gain clarity, understand your patterns, and bring practical tools into your conversations. So repair becomes a practice of deeper intimacy and expansion.